Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to add emojis on your TikTok videos. So with the new update, you can now add emojis at like different times and like different positions. And also, if you haven't already followed my TikTok's right here. We're really close to 370k, so thanks so much for 300k. Also, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on our post notifications so you never miss a video. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is make sure you've got the right Musical.ly update. This was the version 9.4. This is just a recent one. So yeah, make sure you've just updated your TikTok to the latest update on app stores. Okay, so I'm gonna do this on a TikTok that I've done before. Also, yeah, basically like I shoot and then the emojis pop up. So I'm gonna use the bang emoji. I don't know what it's called actually. The explosion emoji. So what you want to do is click this little smiley face, and it will say sticker or emojis. You can actually add stickers so they actually move. They're like gifs or something. Yeah, so you can add that, or you can just do emojis. I'm going to do emojis for this one. So now scroll down and find the emoji you want. I'm going to use the explosion emoji and just add loads of them first, or add as many as you like. So I'm just going to add 3 just for the video. Okay, now what you want to do is go on to, you click on them. You can actually enlarge them or make them smaller. So yeah, and then now you can just put it on a timer. So if you want it to pop up in like the middle of the video, you click on the timer and then you move this red thing to where you want to position it. So but just a disclaimer, you can only use this emoji for like one second, because I wanted it to use it for like less than a second, but you can only use it for a second or more. So yeah, so just add that, and then I'm gonna add them at different times. So just press the tick and then just add this. So now it actually adds in different times. It's not in sync with the video, but I just wanted to show you. So adding emojis to your video is really easy. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I don't know if it works on Android. If it works on Android, comment down below if it works on Android. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.